Today I'm reviewing this Titanic ship in a bottle. It's good for ages 12 plus. It's fun, hopefully fun to build, and for Lego enthusiasts and other enthusiasts as such. And I can't wait to build it. Comes with this nice packaging. You can see everything here. I'm gonna open it up and let's start building. Now that's all opened up, we have 101 total steps in these instructions right here. So this is gonna take a while. We have 3 main bags of Legos. We have some LED strip lights to illuminate it. We have all the glass pieces. We have a little battery pack to make it do something, I guess. And also another cool thing, it comes with this letter that you can put what it's to, and to put in that, like in your ship in a bottle, with this postcard, little postcard. Kind of cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and build this, and once I'm done, go show all the detail and go over the experience. So I finished this Titanic ship in a bottle. Came with a note and everything to put in there with it, make it real realistic. You can see the boat in there. It was fun to build. A little bit daunting with this piece back here. You just really have to pay attention to the instructions. Comes with this cool base, which has a lot of detail on it. It says it right there. 1,000 pieces, so take your time. It takes a while. Overall, cool design. Comes with these LED light strips. I don't know if you can see them too well in there. And these little blue pieces, but everything fit together well. Overall, a fun build. My son enjoys it, and it has this little battery box that takes, I believe, 3 AAA batteries, which are not included. Has an on-off switch. When you turn it on, it has little LEDs that light up to display this up on your display case or whatever else you want. Overall fun. Instructions were fairly clear, and the only issue I had was some of these in this glass section right here. It's a little confusing on how many of the spacers to put in between here, but overall I ended up finally figuring it out. You probably will have better luck if you actually get to sleep at night, because you probably don't have a toddler. But overall, fun build, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.